What is up, Diecasters, and you're joining in back again with another amazing episode of Diecast Maniac. And today we have another PGM casting, and this is also obviously the RWB Porsche. And this is actually talking about this specific model. It's actually a special edition because this was built for Australia. And talking about the actual car, it was actually inspired by the 917K, the Le Mans Racing Edition of the Porsche, and so it was converted later into the RWB. So Akira Naka actually made a custom RWB 911 Porsche, and this is actually called the special pink Porsche 911, and it was made for Australia. And you guys can say that it's the first Australian RWB to be produced. So talking about the PGM models, PGM comes with the opening compartments, and it's obviously a limited edition. And so I've got the 243 out of 999 pieces, and the pink looks amazing, just like the Tiffany blue RWB which we did few months ago. And this is also the details wise, PGM is amazing. Even though their castings are actually very low and they don't put out much of models, but when they do, it's actually amazing to look at, and details wise, everything, it's perfect. So let's look into the car. We'll take them out, and you guys know that PGM gives out a keychain sort of. This tool is actually to open up the compartments of the car, and I told you guys before also, they give the exact key according to the car that we have. So the Tiffany blue got a Tiffany blue key tag, and now for the pink we have a pink Porsche RWB tag, says PGM. It's actually pretty good. So let's take the car out and let's see how it looks. And you guys know, when it comes to the packaging, they have a outer plastic, hard plastic packaging, and you get the actual RWB car, a picture of the actual RWB car. And looking into the car packaging wise, you get the usual acrylic box with a thick acrylic plastic, and you guys can see, in order to keep the compartment safe and without breaking, they have put their plastic inner protector. And let's take this out, and you guys can see the plastic protector is also there. And damn, this car is glowing. Honestly, looking at it personally, the car looks amazing. The color looks gorgeous, to be honest, and it glows, being honest, because the pink color is too bright, too pointy. It actually looks good with the lighting. And let's get into the car and see how it looks. And you guys can see details wise, even the rim and wheel detailed, front and back rear lights and front lights, and everything looks amazing. And let's just get into the car, and without scratching, we'll take it out. Interior, of course, even from the seatings, the bucket seats to the seat straps, the accelerations, brakes, everything is actually there. The pedals, everything is there. And we'll take this out. Well, without damaging the car. Yeah. Those out, and back bumper, and the front bonnet. So you guys can see the details of the front bonnet is actually, it looks good. And you guys can see there's a spare wheel, even though it doesn't match with actual wheels, but everything else looks amazing. And you guys can see it's obviously the wide body kit, and in the back under the wing they have the Australian kangaroo logo. So that is like a signature for the kangaroo logo, because usually Tarmacs actually have these, because according to the different countries that they have, especially since the last video that we did about the Garuda, they also had the Indonesian Airlines logo. So as well as this has the Australian kangaroo logo in it. Details wise, I'm actually not going to compare it, because details wise it actually looks amazing. and PGM is setting up, though they have limited editions and limited castings, and especially they put their main concern about the RWBs to be released. And actually a pretty cool amount of RWBs are coming up within the year, and they have actually released a set as well, though it's kind of a bit expensive, being honest, because one is around when it comes to Sri Lankan rupees, it's about 12,000 to 15,000, and converting it to dollars wise, it's about $50 to $60. So bit too expensive when it comes to a 164 scale, but considering it's only 999 pieces worldwide, honestly there's no complaints about it. So yeah, there you have it, the special pink RWB Porsche 911. And that ends the PGM review for the day, and this is actually the third PGM that we have in our collection, and another special PGM is coming up in a few months. Not actually a few months, it's just a few weeks away, and it's on the process of getting into our country. So let's hope we can do a review of that as soon as possible. So as always, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and there's a giveaway going on, so pay attention to the videos and see how the giveaway is coming up and what model that we will be giving out and what are the details about it. So stay tuned to our channel, subscribe, and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news. And see you guys on another amazing casting with another amazing video very soon.